How's it going, guys? It's Jayton back again, talking today about one of our most powerful supplements, zuPOO. So what's really interesting is that most Americans today are actually carrying around 5 to 20 pounds of poop in their intestine. And I don't know about you, but that's kind of disturbing. So zuPOO actually has a lot of things like Emodin and Cascara Sagrada, which are actually very effective at helping to stimulate peristalsis. So peristalsis is going to be the contraction of the digestive tract, and so that's going to allow a lot of this excess waste in the body that's building up, different kinds of toxins and ammonia and different kinds of bacteria. It's going to allow those to be flushed out, and who knows, maybe within a couple days you might lose anywhere from 5 to 20 pounds. One of the things that you could see possibly is a lot of people have that little pooch belly right above their waistline, and a lot of people actually notice that flattens out after they get done with a round of zuPOO. So if you want to check that out, you can look at it with the link in the description, and I'll talk to you next time.